function h of x, 4 plus 5x plus 2x cubed. And we need to come up with 4 different equations, f of x, g of x, n of x, and m of x, so that if you added all 4 of these together, you would get this. There's a million different right answers, and it's actually overly easy. I don't think they'll ever ask you this on an exam. Okay? I'll give you, I'll color code it, I'll do a couple of different answers. Probably the easiest thing I could say is I could say, well, I'm going to make f of x 4, then g of x 5x, then n of x 2x cubed. Oh, I've got everything, so what should I make the last one just 0? Does that not seem overly easy? That would be perfectly correct. Okay? Or, this is my favorite. You make f of x exactly what you want, and then you could just make all the other ones 0, and if you added them all up, would you get exactly what you wanted? Yes. So it's kind of, I don't know, almost a dumb question. Kind of just like, I mean, you could get really, really creative. Like you could make f of x, oh, I don't know if I want to get too creative. Right? I could make f of x 253, right? And then I could make g of x 7x minus 240, I don't know, 249. And then I could make n of x, x cubed minus 2x, and g of x, x cubed. If you added those all up, would I get what I want? More painful, though. I think it works. Because does my x cubed and my x cubed added together would give me my 2x cubed. My 7x and my minus 2x added together would give me my 5x. And 253 minus 249 would be 4. But it's sort of like, well, why would you want to do that when you can make it way easier? What about the subtracting one here? Are you okay if I erase this? If I make this b now, and I can erase these two. Part B. Write explicit equations for f of x and g of x so that you subtract them. Oh, can I do the cheating one first? Are you okay if I just make, oh, I'll even write it in exactly the same order. It feels like I'm doing something wrong here. It feels like I'm cheating if I do that, right? I think they wanted you to come up with something more, I don't know. Maybe they wanted us to have 5x cubes and 8x's and 12, and then we subtracted 3x cubes and we had to subtract 3x's and we'd have to subtract 8. If you subtracted those together, you would get the final thing that you wanted. I'm not sure. I even feel like I don't know if I want to give you any homework on this, because if you want to circle questions, you can, and the next question's not very good like this as well. You can circle 7 and 8. That's for example 3 and example 4. But if you use zeros, you can definitely cheat and make it super easy.